In this video, I am about to show you how to use Vertex AI in Google Cloud. Vertex AI is a machine learning platform that lets you train and deploy ML models and AI applications and customize large language models or LLMs for use in your applications. It combines data engineering, data science, and ML engineering workflows, enabling your teams to collaborate using a common tool and scale your applications using Google Cloud. Vertex AI provides several options for model training and deployment, such as AutoML, lets you train tabular, image text, or video data without writing code or preparing data splits. You can tune Google's LLMs to meet your needs and then deploy them for use in your AI-powered applications. After you deploy your models, use Vertex AI's end-to-end MLOps tools to automate and scale projects throughout the ML lifecycle. You can collaborate with a team to develop your model in Collab Enterprise, a version of Collaboratory that is integrated with Vertex AI. This section provides an overview of the machine learning workflow and how you can use Vertex AI to build and deploy your models. After extracting and cleaning your dataset, perform exploratory data analysis, or EDA, to understand the data scheme and characteristics that are expected by the ML model. Explore and visualize data using Vertex AI Workbench notebooks. Vertex AI Workbench integrates with cloud storage and BigQuery to help you access and process your data faster. To train a model without writing code, see the AutoML overview. AutoML supports tabular, image, text, and video data. To write your training code and train custom models using your preferred ML framework, see the custom training overview. You can use model evaluation metrics such as precision and recall to evaluate and compare the performance of your models. Also create evaluations through the Vertex AI model registry or include evaluations in your Vertex AI pipelines workflow. For online serving cases with tabular models, use Vertex AI feature stores to serve features from a central repository and monitor feature health. Vertex Explainable AI helps you understand how each feature contributes to model prediction and finds mislabeled data from the training dataset, example-based explanation. Monitor the performance of your deployed model. Use incoming prediction data to retrain your model for improved performance. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.